Mastering academic collocations. Boost your English proficiency. Hello, word enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of academic collocations. These common collocations in academic phrases will sharpen your English skills, enhance your vocabulary, and equip you with the language tools necessary to shine in your academic and professional pursuits. What exactly is a collocation? Well, it's a pair or group of words that are often used together. These word combinations just sound right to native English speakers. Today, we'll focus on academic collocations, which are frequently seen in academic texts or discussions. Let's explore some of the most common collocations in academic phrases. 1. Conduct research. This means to carry out a detailed study or investigation. Example: scientists conduct research to find a cure for diseases. 2. Draw a conclusion. This is used when you make a decision or judgment after considering all the information you have. Example: after analyzing the data, we can draw a conclusion. 3. Raise an issue. This means to bring a problem, situation, or point of discussion into focus. Example: the report raises several issues regarding environmental sustainability. Remember, the key to mastering these collocations is practice. Try to incorporate them in your writing and speaking where appropriate. As you read academic texts, be on the lookout for these and other collocations. The more you encounter them, the more natural they will seem. Let's continue with more examples. 1. Broad range. This refers to a wide variety of something. Example: the study covers a broad range of topics in physics. 2. In-depth analysis. This means a detailed and thorough examination of a subject. Example: the professor provided an in-depth analysis of the novel. 3. Provide evidence. This means to give facts, information, or signs to show something is true. Example: the experiment provides evidence supporting the hypothesis. We've covered quite a few common collocations in academic phrases today, but remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of English language is vast and exciting, and I encourage you to continue exploring it. I hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident using these collocations. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of academic English in no time. See you in our next language adventure.